Are you struggling to get consistent clicks to your YouTube videos even though your content is solid? Your thumbnails could be holding you back from generating more views, more clicks, and more revenue. Today on Inspire to Thrive, I'm going to show you an AI thumbnail generator that gives you pro-level YouTube channel style thumbnails in seconds. Yes, it's very easy to use. If I can use it, you can too. So you can take text and convert it to a thumbnail. You can take an image, convert it to a thumbnail. You can also regenerate your old dingy thumbnails. That's my favorite feature. Been doing lots of that lately. And you can also do a face generator. So, I had my profile picture and I had myself looking upset, looking happy, looking excited. So you can do these things as well. So let's get to it so you can get started using the Thumbs AI generator today. So here we are on Thumbs AI, the Thumbs generator tool. As you can see, you have many, many options on here. So I'm going to just walk you through some of the ones I've been using and that I love. So you can do the text to thumbnail, you can do image to thumbnail, and the YouTube thumbnail downloader. You have all different styles to choose from, and you can see some of the ones I've done that I've created. I did some for shorts and for the long form. So let's get into it. Generate. So if you want to do a text to thumbnail, let's see, show me and my dog on a thumbnail. And if I can show the face, I will add me, I will add my dog. Maybe I'll do the excited face with the dog. And clone style, show style. Here is where you pick which style you want. I love the pop out. That's kind of cool. Although I haven't really used one. We're going to try it. And I'm going to do 4 different ones so you'll get to see some different versions here. And the ratio, this is going to be for the regular YouTube, and we did 4, and it's going to generate us 4. Not only does it generate the 4 for you, but it also gives you a grade. As you can see here, this X dummy proof I did this morning got the best grade out of the other ones. So you get different grades on all of them to help you choose. That one didn't do so well, that one did better. All kind of things here. You can see that are different. I didn't like the way my hair came out in that one. I didn't think it really looked like me. I love the ones of Stella. I thought those came out really nice. I did some for a client with open houses. So this is where most of these, come from. Let's see if it's done generating. It doesn't usually take too long, but we have 4 of them being made. So this is doing it via text, putting in any prompt that you want to create a thumbnail. I think we can go back to this while it is doing them so that I can show you some other things as well. Let's see, uploads. Well, those were the uploads that I did. So you can see how I changed some of them. That's good to know. You can go back and see them. Now here we are. Look at this. Oh, these are cool. Me versus dog, the ultimate test. He did what? Said she. Yeah, that's a really good one. And there's Stella and I. So they give you some really different ones to work with here. So this was a cute example. I'm going to give you another example. Now we're going to do an image to thumbnail. So we're going to select from an asset. Let's see if there was something. Maybe I want to change the way that one looked. Can you change this to look more like a Google review? Yeah, more of a Google review. And again, it could still show my face. Choose clone style. Let's do something with I like the arrow. We're just going to do 2 this time. And let's do the circle one. I haven't even tried that one yet. So we're going to show 2, and again, we're going to make them for the same size. I've found the ones that you do for the long form content work out really well. The shorts, I didn't notice any big lift with the shorts. I tested it on a couple, And shorts seem to do better when you don't have the thumbnail, although you can pick that first frame of your short, and that's very important to do that. A lot of times I have these funny gestures, and I have to make sure I go back and look and try to get the smile for the cover of the shorts video. So that's something to keep in mind. But you can do both here, and in some cases, those shorts do work pretty well. This one, I was thinking it wouldn't take as long because we only got two here. But now this is giving me lots of ideas with the other options here. Because as you've seen in the past, I really haven't used those splashes there. Let's see what else we had here. This is one I did. This was a cover that I made. And I actually liked it because I didn't like the way the beginning of the video was. So it kind of worked out well. And this one actually did pretty well. This instant shorts here, that did okay. And the others, I really used a lot of them to replace. Although I didn't use these, I kind of thought they were cool, but then once I started working and figuring out more what ThumbsAIi could do, I didn't use them. But in some cases, they may work well for you. So a lot to explore. So here is, I like this actually better, the 5 stars fast. So I really like that. And it's got my Inspired to Thrive orange color. So it takes that branding when you do that. So let's do do one of my favorites here. It's going to be, oops, wrong one. Let's go to explore here. I want to go to, let's see, recreate. It's my favorite, recreate. So you can do the upload itself or the video link. I like doing the video link, and I have, which one did I want to do? I didn't like the beginning. I didn't like this one at all. So we're going to go in, copy that, go back and put that in here. Thumbnail from the link, paste, grab thumbnail. This is my favorite. Describe your video. Show how to enhance posts on X with Grok AI. Grok's been a fabulous tool for me. Enhance. Enhance. Okay. Add my face. Yep, we're going to add the face. Advanced. Let's see. Style. What style do we want on that one? I always like the arrows. And let's just see a few different ones here. And advanced. And we're just going to do 3 this time because I picked 3 different options so you can see more of what can be done. But this is my all-time favorite because you can go back and look at all of your old videos and see which ones have, as you can see here. Oh, I got to get to the bottom of mine now that I'm at the top. I kind of replaced a lot of them. This one here I want to replace. That's me many years ago. So I look a little bit different today. That one too. So I've got to go in and get all these updated. Quite a few here. So I saved them because I knew I was going to make this video to show others how they can use this recreate thumbs in ThumbsAIi. They do offer a free trial. I believe you start with 30 free credits. So you can start for free, test it out yourself, take it for a test drive. And if you do their yearly plan, it's about $11 a month. Let me take a look here while we're waiting for that to finish. Yes, it's $11 a month, 137 a year. If you want Ultimate, it's 29 a month, 353 a year, and there's a Master. And you can see some of the differences in there. YouTube commercial use rights for the Ultimate and priority queue. So there's some differences in there depending on what your needs are. But you can always start with one and upgrade as you go along or downgrade. So let's see. Oh, pretty nice. I don't know which ones I like. If I kind of like this one the most. See if it gave us a grade. It's doing the analyzing now. As you see, this grade came in over here and over here. And if it's good, it's in the green. If it's not good, like there, yep. And that's the one I picked. Look at that. That's the one I had picked. So that's the Regenerate Thumbs. That is my all-time favorite. And let's see, the template for the cloning. Let's see, nope, you can't get into those. It's not showing me that. Just let's go back to Explore. I want to make sure I've kind of showed you everything here. So you have a lot of choices, as you can see, all different kind of varieties. And let's see what this is. YouTube. Enter the video link and extract the highest resolution cover image with one click. Oh, that's an interesting one. Let's try that because I haven't actually tried that one yet. Let's do this one right here.
Quick question. Do you post on YouTube?
Yeah,
I try to.
this.
Show me your channel. I'll show you how to grow it in 30 seconds. Okay?
We get ads, ads, ads. Someone's got to make money, right? Let's get into, where was I? Right here. Okay, extract the thumbnail. Is it doing it? And it's saved. You can save it right to your desktop. But it's right there. So it gives you a high resolution original cover with one click. So that's ThumbsAIi. I hope you've enjoyed this how-to video, how to use it so that you can get more clicks on your YouTube videos by having these generated thumbnails that will really give your channel a lift. Are you ready to create better thumbnails for your YouTube channel? Use my affiliate link in the description below and try ThumbsAIi Thumbnail Generator. What features are you most excited to try? Please leave me a comment. I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.